Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Steam and signing in. This ensures your changes apply to the right account. Next, click your profile, choose Edit Profile, then Privacy Settings. Those menus lead directly to visibility controls. Set a temporary choice like Friends only to limit exposure while you review options. Do this now so later steps act on a known baseline. Once done, make sure your account name and avatar appear as you expect, because visible details affect what others see immediately. Now fine-tune each item. Game Details controls playtime and achievements, Inventory covers items and trading, and Friends list controls who can see your connections. For each, choose Public, Friends Only, or Private. Choose Private for maximum privacy, or Custom to permit specific people. Toggle activity and game status if you want to hide what you play, which reduces unsolicited friend requests. Once configured, review each line to confirm it matches your comfort level. Because scattered public, finish by saving settings, then verify visibility by viewing your profile while logged out or asking a trusted friend to check. This proves your choices took effect. If you still see public items, relog and clear the Steam cache, because cached data often shows old settings. Make sure the Steam client is up to date, since outdated versions sometimes ignore new privacy flags. If problems persist, contact Steam support. Include screenshots and exact steps so they can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.